basically 3 levels of Eden. So we're gonna head to the Eden and take a look at that, but check out this little area here. Ooh.
It's very mysterious. Very nice.
7 a.m. in the morning.
Well, this is probably a good time to film because
Nobody's up yet.
up.
Oh, there are
There
people.
are
There are
some
people up.
But
We're getting ready to go to the go through the sounds. So
over here, Mr. Baby.
yeah.
Here you have the new restaurant. It's very pretty.
We never ate there. I mean, we can go. I think it's included with our
Yes.
room. We can go there, but
We should go there tonight because look, I match.
oh, look at that. For some reason, Kim's dressed for dinner at 7 a.m. I
I'm wearing today.
don't quite
Very
understand it.
comfortable. And look at this.
Oh,
As I fall off. This is for Serena. She would probably love this.
Oh, yes.
Boys, they'd probably be climbing on it.
yes. Well, wait, why don't we move on because you're going to go through the window. Eden.
Very artsy. You happy fancy shops. This is a little bit more, is it mixed?
I don't know if it's.
This is
I don't know what this is. This isn't Effie. It's Mankind. This is a men's shop, huh?
Some of the
Not
shops
too much in there.
actually are not celebrity, but it's people rent space.
Oh yes,
Like
yeah.
we bought those sweatshirts, even though they said celebrity on it, they're not.
They're not
work.
celebrity, right?
Oh, that was
It's pouring rain out. Look at this. It's downpouring. Man, hopefully you're able to see the sounds. So we thought we would get up early to do some filming because nobody would be in the Eden. But look at this. Everybody's in the Eden.
Well, you're indoors and you get to enjoy the view.
Everybody's here for the beautiful view after the ship.
But look at how nice and cozy like the chairs are and stuff.
But those chairs up there, they're really not that comfortable.
The DJ section, we have bands that come in here. Yeah, those chairs.
Up here, like point up there, right? They're not that comfortable.
No.
But it's definitely a beautiful area. We'll probably see if we should probably ask the butler if we can get a dinner in here.
Yeah, this is very pretty.
I'm not sure if we have reservations over there.
We're not too sure what we're doing.
Yeah.
These cozy little nooks.
Yeah. Go this way, I guess. And go this way, we'll come down.
So I wanted to show
This
this.
is basically 3 levels of Eden. I did mention earlier that Kim looks like she's dressed for dinner. I actually am too, for some weird reason. At 7 a.m. in the morning. I don't understand her choice of outfits today.
So this is really cute to be. This is so DD. Come up with S&T. Work on a puzzle. You can see. Oh, somebody found the piece from yesterday. I see. Oh, this is walking back to Valley. This is over here.
Beautiful.
We got our microphones again.
What's that?
We got our microphones again.
Why do we keep forgetting? Good morning. What's that? Do I see it? I'm walking in. Beautiful. So it spirals all the way down. Huh, I didn't notice that. It goes all the way.
Like a couple of cheers.
Yeah, but it's going like all the way down to the bottom level.
Look at this. Some more fancy chairs. These pretty fellows. Oh, the great kids love this. Oh. This is very nice.
It is.
Why don't you want to sit?
It's cool, huh?
Well, you can fall asleep. Okay. Let's make you get up.
All right. I'm hungry. Let's go to we're going to the Luminae, right, for breakfast?
Luminae. Yes.
So it spirals all the way down to 2 levels, not 3, right? I know, but we're not on the 3rd level yet. This is back at the bar area.
Like the main level. Here you can get cuisine. In the morning they have more. It's almost you don't have to fight over seating.
There's so many seats.
Even outside. Though I do think that's a smoking section out there. I saw somebody out there smoking
Oh,
yesterday.
yes.
But this is just so nice.
It sure is.
Beautiful art.
Digital art. So that is our tour of Eden. Till next time. Bye-bye.